Jeddah or different city here in Saudi Arabia. Let's see. So habang naglalakad kayo papunta sa gate ng bus station, madami kayong makikita yung mga nag-aalok ng mga private cars. Pwede naman yan, safe naman yan sila, makipag-bargain lang kayo kung saan kayo pupunta in different cities sa Saudi Arabia. So mga ano naman sa mga private cars. Ayan yung entrance guys, Darb Al Watan. Ayan sila oh, mga private ano yan, drivers. Habang papasok kayo dyan sa ano, sa entrance, yun yung madadatnan nyo. So since malapit na yung Ramadan, malapit na yung Hajj or Eid, so maraming mga kababayan natin ang pupunta sa different cities ng Saudi Arabia. It's either Makkah and Medina. So ito yung entrance, ayan, Darb Al Watan. And papasok na tayo dito. Ayan siya, welcome to Darb Al Watan. So Darb Al Watan bus travels over 80 destinations across the kingdom. Meron sila dito 50% discount for student, children, elder, special needs passengers, including Jubail to Dammam, Riyadh, Makkah, Medina, Hyderabad, Jeddah, and many more. Ayan, pwede pala kayong mag-scan dyan. Oh. Scan nyo na lang yan. And pwede kayo mag-advance booking. So, punta na tayo sa loob. So, ito yung waiting area guys. At ayan yung ticket sales booth nila. And ito yung parang mapa ng area. So ayan yung ticket center nila. So guys, ito yung barcode na kailangan yung scan kung gusto niyo mag take ng ticket online. So there are three trip going to Jeddah from Dammam from 9 AM, 5 PM and 9 PM. For 258 riyals and 279 riyals also for from Dammam to Makkah for only one trip, 3 PM. So this is the waiting area. You will just wait from this area for your trip and that will be the entrance, and this is the ticket sales area. And that would be all for today guys. Thank you so much, and this is Andrew Lakwatchero. Mas salamat. By the way, the requirement is only your ikama and